We are buying our first car dito sa Pilipinas.
We're in our new car!
Mamuntag sa tanan. Karong adlaw, we are doing something different. We are buying our first car dito sa Pilipinas. So yeah, we're going to Hyundai right now, gonna pick it up. We've been trying to get a car for the past month.
It's very difficult in quarantine. I don't recommend buying a car during a pandemic, but we're
gonna make it happen.
Yeah.
So let's go pick it up. Hopefully, we haven't even seen it in person. We did online shopping for this. Pretty risky, but we need a car. So.
For more Suroy.
Yes.
We did this for you.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I wanted to clap.
Got him. Here to pick up a car.
If we may.
Alright, the moment has come. We've waited a very long time for this. Okay, like 1 month, but it's pretty long when you're stranded. Alright, so this is the new bad boy we're picking up. 16-seater.
I have a lot of cousins. Edgar, this is for you.
Hi, Sweet. Good morning.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
You have a very...
Okay.
You have a very nice car.
Yeah, we're excited. Alright.
Don't hit Keith.
Oh yeah, he's waiting for us.
Oh.
What a good
Just a
guy.
sec,
Look at this
just a
guard.
minute.
MVP.
This guard is a hero.
there.
Thank you. Okay. We're in our new car!
Heyo. So, quick process. We just paid the fees for the shipping.
Yes.
You know, it was a wild time during quarantine, so they had to
Go
do
through a
some
lot.
crazy stuff
get
just
it
to get us
here.
our car. So, thank you, Hyundai, for your help.
Thank you.
But this is it.
Yeah.
We bought the Hyundai, aka Hyundai
Tucson 2015.
Yes. So we purchased this from, it was a private owner, and I think they traded the car into Tagbilaran Hyundai,
Yes, in Bohol.
and then they helped us get it arranged, get it here to Dumaguete, and yeah, so super sick.
Yeah.
We'll give you the tour a little later. We can give you a little tour of this right now, I guess.
I don't know how I'll give a tour, but this is the steering wheel.
All right, so this is diesel. So in the States, diesel gas is more expensive, but here in the Philippines, it's cheaper and you can go farther on a tank. So it'll save us a lot of money as we travel, which is super nice. It's 4-wheel drive, so we can go off-roading. You can get us where we need to go.
B-roll.
B-roll.
I'm joking. This is a screen.
Yes.
It's nice.
So we were gonna buy a 2013 one, but the owner backed down and didn't want to sell it. So they found us a 2015, so it's an upgrade.
Yeah, look at this. Spacious. I'm so happy.
So
this is probably way up my nose because it's not wide.
the reason we got the Tucson, because it's like a perfect mid-size car. It's not too small and not
It's a
too
family
big.
car.
Family car.
Jokes, we're not.
For our family,
Expecting.
us with a Nuck.
Yeah, for Nuck and my
our
cousins.
family in Camigan,
Camigan.
whenever we visit.
And friends, because we're gonna go on road trips with Keith Feeney.
Keith Feeney. What a legend. Anyways, we're gonna get gas real quick.
Oh yeah, we
and
need.
Zoe's arm's heavy.
It's very heavy. This
Like
is
they
a
brought
heavier
a
lens than the
heavier-
last one.
Yeah.
I gotta go. Bye.
All right, we're back home, and this is our new whip, the Hyundai Tucson. Also rented a motorbike because we were carless. XRM. Anyways, this is it. So it's got some pretty decent trunk space. These are the old seat covers. They hooked us up with some new ones because they were getting old.
Car vlog. Like food vlog, but this is the inside. Look, it's spacious.
Wow.
Wow. I could fit a whole cousin on my lap. One on the floor. 4 more up here. These were extra, like they were an added thing, a step board. Cause you know I'm a bit short, so I need the boost. We got some seat covers. You know, so they threw these in, which is nice. And we have some leather ones in the back that we can wash.
So pretty crazy that we have not seen the car until today. We legit did 100% online shopping for this car.
Yeah.
So huge shout out to our friend Brian Ahern from
Brian Daheezy Islander!
Shout out to him and the Ahern family. They're too good to us. They in Tagbilaran, they went and test drove it to make sure it's not going to break down once it arrives here.
Yeah.
So maybe they can send me the footage. I'll put it right here.
Or if they don't.
Or if not, then
cut this part out.
yep.
Ikaw, ma'am. Uy, back up. Uy, put your mask on.
Yay! Limpyo pa dyan tayo.
It seems to be in really good condition, right? Iggy?
Sounds nice.
Sounds nice. Good startup, easy.
And you can
Diesel's gonna run you
give it
forever.
out.
So yeah, he made sure that it was all good to go. So thank goodness that we have friends in Bohol. So check out their vlogs because great people. Anyways, yeah, shout out to Keith Feeney, of course, our man. He drove us there.
We don't know where he is.
He's missing. He was supposed to be here, and he left before us.
And we had to get fuel, so I don't know where Keith Flaney is.
Fleeny.
Flaney!
But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the car. So cute.
I'm so happy. I want to drive.
Zoe doesn't know how to drive in the Philippines yet because in Australia they drive on the other side of the road.
I know how to drive a car, I just don't know how to drive one here. It makes me nervous. There are no rules. It's
No.
our way.
Oh, it only cost us, how much did it cost to fill up?
2,068 pesos.
For a full tank.
Full tank at 38 pesos a liter.
Yes, and we picked this car up with like 57,000, no, yeah? Around 57 kilometers.
There.
There it is.
Oh no!
Copyright.
Copyright. Oh crap! Wrong country.
That's why she doesn't drive here.
What a mess.
Huge reason why we bought a car is because we want to be able to explore the rest of the Philippines and not just by bus, because buses will only take us to like the super touristy places.
Yeah, and we want to go off the grid.
I mean, not necessarily just the touristy places, but it's a
Keith
lot.
Flaney!
It's a lot easier for us to go to the unknown and just go wherever the heck we want.
Since we have our own car. Yeah, and we found the convenience of a car. It's like
Super
nice. It's very nice.
Now that I'm getting more gear, camera gear, it just sucks carrying it all, so we can just throw it in the back.
And we have not.
And we have a cat now, and we have to travel with him until we get to Kamigan, so it might be interesting.
Okay, wait. Keith Flaney's here.
Keith Fleen is here. We're gonna go inside, maybe get some food, and maybe I'll vlog the rest of the day, but probably not because I still have to edit a vlog, so to be continued.
Bleh.
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 No, I saw a friend and I had to say hello.
Keith Fleen. Oh, you locked the gate?
Also lock the gate.
What the heck?
Maybe we have to go inside.
Do you know what? Ayo!
Yep, I know that I go.
Oh, he knows.
Someone.
Sorry, I
Balik
got
ko.
lost on the way.
Knock, we're home! Heyo! Alright, update on Knock. He's still beautiful and
boy.
still feral. Alright, we have one more purchase for today. One big purchase. It's for Knock. We bought a car and then we've also bought a house. For Knock.
For knock. not for me.
But this is a social house. It's 3,000 pesos. Don't know what she's doing, but she really cares about her animals, right?
I do, and he needs a nice house, you know. And I saw it on Lazada. It was like 10 grand.
So she had a local make it out of
Yeah, and
all
I'm
the...
supporting local, you know. So they use some local products. And
Yeah.
Hello.
It's so windy.
We don't have the key.
You're gonna have to throw it over.
No, that's awkward. I forgot the key. I'll come back.
1 second.
Unfit. Yeah.
Dang, that's huge.
Nice house.
That's way bigger than I thought.
Really?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Grabe.
It will look great in this Kamigan.
Knock is so spoiled.
Not just a nice spoiled cat.
You made this yourself?
No, I have some people help me do it.
Nice. That's super cool.
He will love it. I hope he likes it.
What if he doesn't use it? I'll be so mad. And he can scratch this and stuff?
Yeah, I think
Maybe.
so.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a hole in the 3rd level, so he can go up. It's like a
Really?
Woo! Yes.
What the heck? Heck yeah.
That's sick. I'm so happy.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. It's so great.
Can you take a picture?
Yeah.
It's your house. I got you a house.
That's nice, huh?
That is awesome.
Go, Knock.
Nucky, look, it's your house. Investigate.
Don't put him in this one because then he can climb to the top.
Love it. You have to love it. He's getting used to it, you know? That's okay. It's fun and cool. He's sniffing. So, if anyone is in the
Dumaguete area?
if anyone's in need of a customized cat house or anything with native stuff in Dumaguete, Native Planters is who you get them from? I couldn't find anything like this anywhere. I was gonna make my own and then I realized I don't know how. So I hit them up.
Alright, so diri mo ang vlog, Knock. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
He's going in. He's going in.
Oh shoot.
He's going in.
Here he is. Heck yeah.
I knock.
Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Proudest parent.
Og amping.
Amping mata.